Welcome. I am introducing Narendra Nayak sir. It is a privilege to be with him and to have dialogue and deliberations with him. And I would like to ask some questions. Dear sir, even though you are a renowned person, please introduce your work and vision briefly so that our audience will have idea.
I am Narendra Nayak, the President of Federation of Indian Rationalist Associations, oversees an apex body of 85 humanist, atheist, rationalist organizations from all over India, and we work to make this country free from superstitions, inequality, and religious discrimination.
Thank you, sir. What is atheism? Why it is relevant and significant in today's India?
Atheism is a state of mind which rejects all supernatural explanations to the phenomena of nature. It rejects all supernatural explanations about human beings, about their behavior, and about anything else for that. So, we need to bring about atheism, we need to bring about a rationalist thinking where everything is put to the test of reason. We need to progress to humanism, which is a state of mind which accepts that all human beings are equal, regardless of their country, language, place of origin, color, race, ethnic origin, gender, or even sexual orientation. These are all human beings are equal. So once you reject all supernatural powers, it naturally comes that all human beings are equal.
Why do you think that India should adopt atheism, non-believers approach in day-to-day life, in their day-to-day life?
Religion is a major stumbling block to progress and equality in this country. Unless you reject all religion, all religious beliefs and beliefs in the supernatural, the progress of this country is going to be very, very slow. Even corruption springs from superstitions, because some people believe that they are superior to you, so they can naturally indulge in corruption. And other people may think that we are inferior, so people being corrupt is a perfectly natural thing. So once you believe in equality, all the evils of the society will go.
Sir, do you think or what are the factors which may provoke us to include atheism, non-believer attitude in school syllabus, college syllabus, university syllabus? Why it has not been done so far?
That has not been done so far because power is in the hands of people who want to hold on to power by any means. And spreading superstitions is a way by which you can be in power. Pander to the religious beliefs of people, get votes in the name of religion, get votes in the name of caste, get votes in the name of spreading superstitions, and then you attain power. Once you want to attain power, you want to stick to it. Dr. Ambedkar was very much against this. That is why he was at the forefront of drafting a constitution for India which is secular in nature.
But do you think there is a need for atheistic movement in India? If yes, why there is no noticeable strong atheistic movement or atheistic mission in India nowadays?
That is because everybody wants to come to power. Even the so-called parties which are against religions, which are against superstition, they say let us get power and then we shall reform the system. And that never happens. Because even the communist parties, in fact there is a party, Lok Janta Jansattavadi party, I think by Ramvilas Paswan, which says that to join this party one has to declare oneself as an atheist. But still, he is making compromises with BJP.
Sir, why so-called literate, educated and so-called intellectuals are dogmatic and have unconditional faith and follow their religion without questioning without probing.
That is a major defect of our education system. We do not have education. We have only literacy. One may be literate in science, one may be literate in physics, chemistry, astrophysics, or any other subject in this under the sun in our system. But they are not educated. Because true education must be teaching people to reason out, think and question, which is never encouraged in our system.
So you think that education system doesn't provoke an insight or convince everybody to ask questions, to doubt, to probe, to scrutinize the religious belief, the religious faith?
Yes. It is not only the education system, it is our society as a whole which encourages or rather discourages a child from questioning from a very, very young age. That's why our children never question.
Sir, to
जबरदस्त
थांबा 2 मिनिटं.